Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can turn off text SMS notification in Facebook. So in the past you could have turned it off, but since the latest update of Facebook, you cannot turn it off. The only way to stop getting SMS notification from Facebook is to remove or unlink that number from your Facebook account. There is no button you guys can click to turn it off. So let me show you how we guys can stop SMS text notification on Facebook. For this, you need to click on menu at the bottom right of your screen and then click on the setting icon at the top right. Then scroll all the way down until you see the option called profile details. Click on profile details. And from over here, you want to click on edit right beside contact info. And over here, click on where it says manage contact info. From over here, click on your phone number. Once you click on your phone number, click on where it says delete number at the bottom and click on where it says delete. Once you do that, the phone number which is linked with your Facebook is going to be deleted. But first, you need to verify yourself by entering your Facebook's password. So do that. After you enter your Facebook's password, your phone number should be unlinked with your Facebook. Once it's unlinked, you're not going to get any text notification from Facebook. And that is how simple it is to stop SMS text notification from Facebook. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.